Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to create coupon code to pay product. So you get started with a guide and a straightforward method on how to create a coupon code for a product on Payhip. So the first thing to do is to log into your Payhip account. Then on the left menu, click on market, which is marketing. Click on marketing, then select coupon from the drop down menu. Then from there, click add coupon button. So fill in the coupon details, which is the code. Then from there, type in the promo code, for example, save20. Then apply the discount type, then choose the percentage or the fixed amount. And also set up your discount volume. So enter the amount or a percentage of. Then apply to. So select the specific product or an entire store. So you can also set your usage limit and the expiration date, which is very optional, and set limit if needed. So after that, you can click add coupon to save, and that's it. So your coupon is now active and it can be shared with customers. So this will be able to apply it at a checkpoint for discount. So let me know if you want more restriction about how you can easily set up your coupon code. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.